Alright, what's up guys? Going into my first Guild War match. I guess volume doesn't work when I'm recording my voice. So yeah, the top team, just gonna bruiser it. They don't have any sustain, should be simple enough. Everybody's gonna focus on my the bottom team. Gonna bring her in, gonna strip the SSB, and hopefully we can, negate a lot of the damage coming through with Armin, and we're gonna try to kill SSB as fast as possible. Bringing in Villager, because once I steal the revive buff, he'll have 2 revives, and hopefully that'll be enough. And I think everyone is geared.